Hey folks, Poverty Point Customs here. Well, this is my John Deere E180. What we're going to do today is replace the spark plugs. So it has 78.4 hours. And pop open the hood. So this is a twin, so you're going to have a spark plug right here on the left side and one on the right side. So what you're going to need is your two new spark plugs, 5/8 socket. I'm going to use dielectric grease. I have it, that's why I'm using it. And you're going to want to check your spark plug gap. It's 0.03 inches. So you're going to pull off the spark plug boot. So you're going to want to take out the spark plug. You only want to replace spark plugs too on a cold engine. There's the original spark plug. It's a Champion RC12YC. You can see it's starting to get a little bit dirty. Again, there's almost 80 hours on this. Checking the gap on the old plug. Again, it's supposed to be 0.03, and it's just a little shy of that. So here's our new spark plug. So we want to check the gap on it. And we want it right there, 0.03. So we're going to put a little bit of dielectric grease in the spark plug boot. And we're going to put the new spark plug in. And with spark plugs, just be careful not to cross thread it. That's why I tighten it up by hand, and then tighten it up a little more with the socket set. And so what you're going to do next is put on your spark plug boot, push it in nice and firm till you hear the click. So you're going to do the identical steps to the other side. Let's try to start it. The last two videos were replacing the fuel filter, the air filter, and we just did the spark plugs. The next video is going to be replacing the fuel pump. And like always, if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that thumbs up. And if you have any suggestions, comments, or whatnot, make sure you post them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.